welcome to Gosia Kitchen. Today I like to show you how I make corn casserole, my family favorite holiday dish, and we enjoy so much, and I hope you enjoy too. For the corn casserole I need sour cream, 2 eggs, butter, green parsley, corn meal, shredded cheese, corn, pepper. I use 2 different colors, salt and black pepper. That's all. Let's go start it. Cornmeal, for the cornmeal I use 1.5 cup, 1 cup of shredded cheese. You can use any cheese you prefer. 2 eggs. Now I will chop pepper. Will be very nice addition. 2 different colors, plus green parsley. It's my favorite casserole. Everybody enjoy this casserole. It's so simple. Excellent addition for Thanksgiving dinner or any time. I'm adding pepper to my casserole. Now I will chop green parsley. Nice. I'll add this to my casserole. Next part, 1 cup of sour cream, and melt butter, salt, black pepper, just for the taste, and combine all these ingredients. Look at this. This casserole looks so beautiful. You can see different colors. All my ingredients combined. Now I'm adding this to baking pan. And on the top, a little bit shredded cheese. The corn casserole is in an oven, 350 degrees. Corn casserole is done. Looks so beautiful, so delicious. Yummy. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out, and see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye.